Hi, I'm Craig Johnson with CraigJohnsonLaw.com. When I was a prosecutor for 15 years with Utah County and Weber County, I was able to interact with victims on a regular basis. That gave me some of the most empowering part of my job that I look forward to. The last decade or so, I was a member of the Special Victims Unit with the Utah County Crimes Task Force. When I was with the Utah County Special Victims Task Force for the last decade, I interacted with hundreds of victims and lectured at many conferences about how to treat victims and how to get them through the court process, because it is a daunting and scary place. Hiring me as your victim's rights representative, I know the connections, I know how to navigate through this stressful time. You should be focusing on your disclosure and the closure that comes from that, not trying to return phone calls and juggle schedules and set up meetings. That's my job. I know the people at the Children's Justice Center, I know therapists and counselors, I know police officers, detectives, victim advocates, victim coordinators, prosecutors, and judges. All of these people play an important role in your disclosure. Getting your case to court so that the perpetrator can face justice is an important part and a goal of mine, and that I continue to do even in private practice. By hiring me, I can get you through this in a way that helps give you peace of mind and helps you sleep better at night, knowing that your case is being followed up on, even though you're not actually shepherding it through yourself. When you come out and disclose a sexual assault, a lot of things occur that you don't anticipate. And those are things that we can talk about and plan for your future of how to overcome this. There's great empowerment in stating your truth and in the Me Too movement. These are things that I have worked with hundreds of victims on. When I was a prosecutor, there was a case involving BYU, my alma mater, where a victim of a rape had reported it to BYU, and because she had been handling herself in a way that violated the honor code, they opened an investigation into her actions, which helped chill her ability to help prosecute the case. She was afraid of going forward because she was going to be kicked out of school. I was able to work with the media to put some pressure on BYU to let them know that, hey, when victims come to the Title IX office to get federal funding and resources to help them through this process, they shouldn't be looking over their shoulder about, well, maybe they had someone in a common area that were in their bedroom, or it was after a curfew, or maybe they were drinking a wine cooler with this person who raped them. What's more important, right? But this was something that had been going on at BYU. After about a year of them resolving and looking through this issue that I highlighted in the media, they realized the error of their ways and they changed things. As a result of the courage of the victim in that case and we worked to make effective change that is lasting going forward at BYU. They've now separated the honor code from the Title IX office. No longer will they share information. They used to even have the same software system, if you can believe that. That's something that's changed because I stood up for a victim, even though it wasn't popular at the time. My superiors at the time thought I was crazy, basically, going against BYU because they're a big deal in Utah County. But at the end of the day, it was more important for me to stand beside my victim and help her get through the process. As a result of that, she has gotten great empowerment, and because of her statements and her story, others have come forward and felt courage so that they could get closure in their cases too. It's important that we see these cases all the way through to the end. With me, you'll have constant communication, and we will get to the end of this so that you get some closure for you and your family. Go to CraigJohnsonLaw.com and schedule a free consultation so that we can talk about the unique story that is yours and how I can help you get through it. Thank you very much.